Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a bigger pullback today, so certainly some updates here need to be done. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of these lines up here. Sure, those levels still pertain. They're just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines where you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. First update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So moving into next week now, 960 is going to be that main initial area of resistance. So if this little miniature bounce here can continue, that's where the big question mark resides. Not necessarily in the sense of can the price get back up to 960, but more importantly, can the price actually break above it and stay up above it? So just understand that near-term wise, if there is any sort of, like I said, continuation of that bounce, 960 will be that first key battleground. If the price can push up through there, next key level to then watch very closely would be that pink line right there, which on my chart's denoting the 200 period moving average currently valid at, we'll just call it $9.80. So watch those couple of areas from the resistance side of things. In terms of areas of support, looks like the price bounced right where you would want to see it bounce. Let's see. Yeah, essentially right there at $9.10, which as you go through the history of the chart, you can see 910 did a good job there, of providing support, and once again provided support. So 910 will be that initial key level of support. Now, that'll be the only level I talk about just because the price, like I said, it is bouncing. So actually, it's not even that close to 910 anymore. But again, if the price does roll back over, then 910 will be that first key level, which again, to give credit where credit's due, has done a great job of holding that support like you would want to see it behave. So overall, let's see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.